What's going on, guys? Miles here with Standish Cocktails. How in the heck are you? So today we're doing something special. It's Throwback Thursday, so we're gonna do a take on the classic Manhattan. What's a Manhattan, you ask? Let me give you a quick little insight. So Manhattan, invented around 1874-ish, give or take a year or so. It's made in the Manhattan Club. Miss Melissa, correct me if I'm right or wrong. Is that the Manhattan Club?
Yes.
Manhattan Club, around 1874. It's meant to be one of those kind of cocktails that's big, it's bold, it doesn't have a whole lot of ingredients, and it's meant for you to sip and enjoy. We're literally using three simple elements. We're going to be using rye bourbon. Why? This cocktail, remember, it's 1874. It's a man's man kind of cocktail. It's alcohol. It's meant to put hair on your knuckles, your chest, and, fill in the rest of that stuff. So, and then it's gonna get sweet vermouth. Now, there's a couple of different variations of this that you can order this. You can either do sweet vermouth, you can do dry vermouth, or you can do perfect. So the thing about perfect is you're gonna take the amount that you would use for the sweet vermouth and cut it in half, and then you would use half sweet, half dry, hence perfect. It's like the perfect blend of both. We're gonna be doing a sweet variation. That's the variation that I prefer, but I highly suggest you trying the perfect way as well. It's gonna be a little more dry on the palate. So let's get into it. First, we're gonna take some ice. Put this right into our little mixing glass here. Runaway ice cube. Then we're gonna add 2 ounces. I like my fat pours. Back then they liked their fat pours. Cocktails are very boozy, very spirit driven. So this cocktail is the same way. 2 ounces of our Redemption Rye Bourbon. Then we're gonna add 1 ounce of our Antica Sweet Vermouth. Vermouth is excellent. It's an Italian vermouth, literally made at the highest, finest quality of vermouth that you can get. And then just a couple dashes of the aromatic bitters. We chose Scrappy bitters. They're a small batch bitter company. They make excellent bitters. Their flavor profile on all of their products is incredible, so that's why we're going with Scrappy bitters. And then give this a stir. Gonna dilute this bad boy, nice and easy. But you know what I did? I forgot my strainer. Oops. Hold on 1 second. I know you can hear me. Pow, we're back. Sorry, guys. And we're gonna strain this right into the glass. Easy peasy. Boom. And then we're gonna finish this with a cherry. Now, the debate is, some people like to leave their garnishes inside their cocktail, especially when it comes to the orange. Traditionally, it's not served with the orange in the cocktail. It's served with just a cherry. Me personally, I like to express the oils, give the glass a good rub down, and then discard. So that's what we're gonna do. Give this a good expression of the oils, and then rub your glass all the way down. We're gonna rub the rim, we're gonna rub the side, underneath. So the whole purpose of that is you grabbing your cocktail and you're gonna sip it. While you're sipping it and you're getting those orange aromatics, it's gonna be on your hands. It's gonna be every place that you touch the glass. So no matter what, it's gonna play on all of your senses, between your taste buds with the rye bourbon and the spiciness, and then you're gonna get citrus elements in your nose as well. And then we're gonna get rid of this orange peel. And that's it. You have your traditional Manhattan. The only thing left to do is to sip, and you know what I say, you got one of these fancy coupe glasses and a nice little black little ensemble like I do, you gotta sip this bad boy with your pinky out. Cheers, and as always, tip your bartenders.